Introduction. Incorporating historical context into modern design allows architects to create buildings that respect and reflect their surroundings while meeting contemporary needs. This integration blends past influences with current innovations, resulting in designs that are both meaningful and functional. Researching historical significance. Architects begin by researching the historical context of a site or building. This includes studying local history, architectural styles, cultural significance, and previous uses. Understanding these elements helps architects make informed decisions about how to integrate historical features into modern designs. Preserving architectural heritage. Preserving elements of historical architecture, such as facades, materials, or ornamentation, is a key aspect of integrating historical context. Architects may restore or retain these features while updating the interior or adding new elements to maintain the building's character while accommodating modern requirements. Blending old and new. Modern designs often incorporate historical references through a thoughtful blend of old and new elements. This might include using contemporary materials and techniques to complement or contrast with traditional forms and styles. This approach creates a dialogue between different architectural eras, enriching the building's aesthetic and cultural value. Incorporating local materials and techniques. Using local materials and construction techniques that reflect historical practices helps to ground modern buildings in their historical context. Architects may source traditional materials or employ historical construction methods to enhance the building's connection to its location and heritage. Reflecting cultural identity. Architects integrate cultural and historical themes to reflect local identity and values. This might involve incorporating design motifs, symbols, or patterns that are significant to the community. By doing so, modern buildings acknowledge and celebrate local heritage, contributing to a sense of place and continuity. Adapting historical styles for modern functionality. Historical architectural styles can be adapted to meet contemporary needs while preserving their essence. Architects may reinterpret traditional designs with modern materials and technologies, allowing buildings to function effectively in today's context while maintaining their historical charm. Creating contrast and dialogue. Sometimes, architects deliberately contrast modern and historical elements to create a dynamic dialogue between past and present. This approach highlights the evolution of architecture and fosters a deeper appreciation of both historical and contemporary design principles. Integrating historical context into urban design. In urban settings, architects consider how new developments fit within the broader historical context of a city. This involves designing buildings that complement existing historical structures, contribute to the urban fabric, and enhance the cultural landscape of the area. Engaging the community. Incorporating historical context often involves engaging with the community to understand their values and preferences. Architects may hold consultations or workshops to gather input and ensure that the design resonates with the local population, fostering a sense of ownership and relevance. Ensuring compliance with preservation standards. When working with historical sites or structures, architects must adhere to preservation standards and regulations. This includes obtaining necessary approvals and ensuring that design interventions respect guidelines for maintaining historical integrity while updating the building for modern use. Conclusion. Architects incorporate historical context into modern design by blending historical significance with contemporary innovation. Through research, preservation, and thoughtful adaptation, architects create designs that honor the past while addressing present needs. This integration fosters a deeper connection between buildings and their cultural, historical, and spatial contexts, enriching both architectural practice and community life.